Hey everyone, has it been a little while since your last trip to Spiva cooking? Or maybe you've never been in our Bremerton storefront. Come on in, I want to show you what we've added here in the new year. We've got some amazing new products in addition to our freshly ground spice blends. Welcome to our Bremerton storefront. We are famous for our freshly ground spices, rubs, and seasonings. We grind them fresh and blend them in small batches right here in Bremerton. With over 36 different flavors, we have got something for everyone. We also have some popcorn seasonings that we partner with the Roxy Theater here in Bremerton to create, as well as several variety packs that are collections of rubs and seasonings for different types of cooking. We also just launched a line of teas this fall, fully organic teas that we blend right here in Bremerton. So fresh and delicious. They are taking off in the local cafes and coffee shops and restaurants, as well as by those tea drinker enthusiasts here. And we have an expanded bulk selection. In the new year, we expanded into this secondary room here. We have over 200 different bulk spices and ingredients, from salts to peppers, chilies, herbs, spices, and we grind them fresh here. We also brought in some fun local products. We have some sauces here created by locals as well as artisans around the country. We've got some delicious cooking sauces. We have hot sauces and fermented hot sauces. We brought in some black garlic and black garlic infused honey, as well as some local jams made from small local farm fruit. And we also have some Spaceman knives here. Beautiful chef knives, cleavers, paring knives, and we partnered with Tree Sap Studios, a local Kitsap woodworker here, to make some beautiful walnut cutting boards for us, as well as salt cellars. We have some grinders as well, and several different unique things. As you can see, we have added a ton of products as we've expanded our retail store here in the new year. So if you like to cook, or if you like to make cooking easier and more convenient, we have got great products for you here at 702 Lebo Boulevard in Bremerton. Come check it out and see what awesome and delicious things you might find.